Is it possible to back up or transfer my iPhone voice messages to another device or storage location?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be addressing a question that has come up frequently. Is it possible to back up or transfer my iPhone voice messages to another device or storage location? The answer is yes, and we'll guide you through the process step by step.
What will you need?
To successfully back up or transfer your iPhone voice messages, you will need the following: your iPhone with the voice messages, iTunes installed on your computer, a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer, an internet connection if you choose to use iCloud.
How to back up voice messages using iTunes?
iTunes is a useful tool for backing up your iPhone data, including your voice messages. Here's how to do it. 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. 2. Open iTunes and select your device. 3. Click on Backup Now. This process will back up all of your iPhone data, including voice messages, to your computer.
How to back up voice messages using iCloud?
Alternatively, you can use iCloud for backups. 1. On your iPhone, go to Settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud Backup. 2. Toggle on iCloud Backup if it isn't already. 3. Tap Backup Now. This will back up your entire iPhone, including your voice messages, to your iCloud account.
How to transfer voice messages to another device?
Transferring your voice messages to another device can be done in a couple of ways. If the target device is also an iPhone, the easiest way is through an iCloud Restore. 1. On the new iPhone, go through the initial setup until you reach the Apps and Data screen. 2. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup and sign in to your iCloud account. 3. Choose the backup that contains your voice messages. Remember, this will replace all data on the new iPhone with the data from the backup. That's how you can back up or transfer your iPhone voice messages to another device or storage location. We hope this guide was helpful and makes your voice messages more secure. Remember, always ensure to have regular backups of your device to avoid losing your precious data. Happy backing up!